Hello, welcome to Guide Glimpse. How to change your EA password. Well, today I'll be showing you how to change your EA password. The first thing you need to do is click on the top right corner of your EA, then click on Settings, and after that, click on Manage. And right here, this will pop up. And once you're here, click on Security. And once you're at Security, you will see Password. Then click on Edit. So when making a password, here are the requirements for making a password. As you can see right there, it must be 8 to 64 characters only and include at least one lowercase letter and one uppercase letter and a number. So right now, we're going to do that. So I'm going to put a password right here. There we go. And after that, I'll click on save. And there you go. I have now successfully changed my EA password. So yeah, that's how you change your EA password in EA. So a little bit of note, you can change your password anytime, or you can change it anytime as you want or any times as you want your EA password. So yeah, so that's how you change your EA password in EA. I hope you guys like the video and I hope you guys learned something. Thank you. If you like the video, please consider giving us a thumbs up and subscribing for more content like this. Thank you.